Good morning, beta. Today we are going to revise MCQs of exponent and power chapter. And after revising this, we will continue with the questions. Now, the first question is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 7. And one by one, I'm going to unmute you and you will answer me. Yes, Drishti? Akshita, yes, I have unmuted you. Speak up the answer.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, answer is 7.
Yes. Can you answer the next question also?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Is it
Ma'am, 2000.
Drishti or Akshita?
Ma'am, Drishti.
Your mic seems to be unmuted and Akshita's mic is on and she's not speaking. Okay. Answer is yes, Drishti. Answer of the next part is?
2000.
Yes, yes. Exactly. It's 2000. Yes, next. Guneet will answer.
Ma'am, 7 raised to power 0.
Yes, what is 7 raised to power 0? Can you tell me the property that you have used here?
Ma'am, A raised to power M divided by A raised to power N equals to A raised to power M minus N.
Yes, exactly. What is A raised to power 0? What is the value of A raised to power 0? Akshit, Janvi, Aryan. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, 0.
A raised to power 0.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Very good. 9 student has raised their hand. Very good. These are the attentive student of class. Very good. Next, who will answer? Khushi. Yes, Khushi. Yes, Nonihal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, minus 1 raised to power 47.
Ma'am, minus 1.
Why, beta? Minus 1 raised to power 47 is minus 1. Can you tell me the reason? Nonihal, Jalash.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 1 because if minus 1 raised to power any odd number, then it will be minus 1.
Yes, yes, very good. If minus 1 is having odd power, then the answer will be minus 1. If it has positive even number, then the answer will be plus 2. Now the next question is express 72 as a product of prime. Yes, everybody solve this question. How you will solve this? Who will tell me the method? I'm not asking about the answer. I just want you to tell me the method. Yes, Satvik? Anmol? Satvik?
We will get the prime factors. We will make the prime factor of 72.
Is 9 a prime number? Is 9 a prime number?
No.
No.
No, beta. How you can split 9 into prime factors? What are the prime factors of 9? Yes, Nonihal?
And 3 into 3.
Yes, 3 into 3. Now, do question number 5. Express 72 as a product of primes. Hurry up. Yes, everybody. Product of prime divided with 2. And every time you have to take prime number as a factor. You can't take 4, 6, 9. You have to take the small number as prime numbers as your factor.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, answer will be 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2.
Yes. Option number, can you tell me the option? Whether it will be
Ma'am, A.
A. Okay.
Ma'am, A.
Yes, answer is A option. You can see the answer. Okay. Next, find the number from the following expanded form. Expanded form is given, you have to write the number. Yes, everybody start this. Start this.
Ma'am, answer will be B. B option.
Yes, next, tell me the answer of it.
Into 20.
Ma'am, B option.
You are saying B option, okay. Yes, exactly, it's correct. Very good. Anmol has given the answer.
Ma'am, no Jalash.
What? Who?
Ma'am, Jalash.
Okay, Jalash. Okay. Yes, Satvik, can you answer the next question? Rivya, very good. Very good. I'm very happy that so many students are trying to give the answer. Yes, Rivya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, A option 10 into 10 into 10 into 10.
How you will read this 10 raised to power 4? Can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
How you will read this?
Ma'am, 10 raised to power
Is there any other way to read it out?
4. No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. 10 is multiplied here 4 times. Yes, who will answer the next question? Akshita, can you answer? Yes, Samriddhi, very good.
Yes, ma'am. 3 raised to power 0.
If the answer is 1, as you know that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So in the option, 1 can be there. If 1 is there, you will take 1 as the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, who will tell this question? Ritisha, can you answer? Ritisha,
Ma'am, answer will be 1.
Ma'am, answer will be 1.
answer will be
1.
why?
Ma'am, because if 1 raised to power even number, then
1 by 1. Hanji, hanji.
ma'am, if 1 raised to power even number, then answer will be even. Ma'am, if 1 is 1.
310 is your even number. Minus 1 raised to power even number is always gives you 1 as answer. If it will be odd, then answer will be minus 1. As you can see that in question number 9, 91 is odd number, so your answer is minus 1. And in case of 10th question, it is even, answer will be 1. Now, express using exponential notation. Who will tell this?
Ma'am, 7 raised to power 3.
Yes. Exponential form or in the form of prime factor, that is same. The question come like this. There are 2-3 ways. Solution is same, but the question, language of the question can be changed. Express in the power notation, express in the exponential notation, or express in the as a prime factor, that is same. Start the next question. 7.
9 raised to power 3.
I don't want as 9, I want as power of 3. I want the answer whose base is 3. Hemant, Shreya, Arun, Jasleen, Manraj, Prabnoor. Now, anyone from you, 6 names that I have just taken, who will answer me? Express 729.
Ma'am, 3
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3 raised to power 6.
3 raised to power 6. So you will make the prime factors of 729 and the base we want as 3. 9 raised to power 3 is correct, but the question is we want base as 3. So answer will be 3 raised to power 6. As you know that 9 raised to power 3 can be the answer. So 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 square raised to power 3 is 3 raised to power 6. Yes, next. Sanya. Tanya.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is this? Drishti?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, Samriddhi.
कौन बेटा?
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Samriddhi, just wait, beta. I will give you another chance. Sanya,
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
answer of next is 10 raised to power 4. 10 is called
Base.
base and 4 is called
Power.
4 is called
Exponent.
yes, power or exponent both are correct. Yes, what do you mean by this minus 8 raised to power minus 1? What do you mean by minus 1? If the power is minus 1, what does it mean? Means you can make the reciprocal of this number. It will become 1 upon minus 8. As I've written, next part is 10 raised to power minus 1, so it will be 1 by 10. Got it? Are you getting me? Bache, today you have your test of which chapter you have test? Who will tell me which chapter test is there? Yes, Guneet, Drishti.
Ma'am, last chapter के first 2 exercises.
Practical geometry, first 2 exercises. Have you revised these exercises?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Don't give the test without revision. So today test will be shared in the PDF form at 5 p.m. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
मैम जो आपने कल केस स्टडी 1 भेजी थी उसका जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है उसकी आपने थर्ड ऑप्शन क्या लिखी है?
8 minutes. Let me check. Which question you are talking about?
मैम केस स्टडी 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
Find the cost in the field.
Ma'am, no, find the time taken to cover the distance of 560 kilometer.
Second case study you are talking about. 14 hours. First option is 10 hour, 12 hour, 14 hour, none.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Today I will send you the case study of the next chapter. You please read it out and try to solve the MCQs. Okay. I have just told
Okay,
you
ma'am.
that anything raised to power minus 1 is the reciprocal of that number. So 2 raised to power minus 1 is 2 raised to power minus 1 is 1 by 2. 3 raised to power minus 1 is 1 by 3. 7 raised to power minus 1 is 1 by 7. Can you tell me the answer of the 14th question? By which number minus 8 raised to power minus 1 will be multiplied to get 10 raised to power minus 1 as answer? Solve this. Answer is minus 4 by 5. If you want me to, we can solve this question on the board. We will do it, okay? Next is express in the exponential form. Arpita, it's your turn. Arpita. Naman. Yes, beta, I have unmuted Harman. Mitul, Vaibhav, Saksham. Yes, who will answer me?
Raised to power 2 and ma'am 2 raised to
2 raised to power. Yes, beta, your audible.
ma'am
Hanji.
A option.
A option. Okay, good. Next, Vaibhav, can you answer this question also? Question number 16.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am 5 4.
5 raised to power. 4 you are speaking. Divya, is it correct?
Ma'am
No, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Then what will be the answer?
5 raised to power 8.
No, it's not correct. Yes, Naman. Janvi, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 minus 4 because bases are same.
Eight are same, then 5 raised to power.
Ma'am, 5 minus 4.
Yes, yes, very good. Actually, the answer will be 5 raised to power 2 minus 6. 5 raised to power 2 minus 6, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
So answer is the first option, 5 raised to power minus 4. Yes, listen one more thing. I have already told you when the power is minus, you can shift that number in the denominator. If you try to make this number as positive, then what will be the answer? Yes, Himanshi, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to make 5 raised to power minus 4, if you want to make the power positive, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1 by 5.
Raised to power 4. 1 by 5 raised to power 4. Okay. Whenever you have negative power, you can shift that negative number in the denominator, then the power will be positive. It will be 1 upon 5 raised to power 4. Thank you, Himanshi. Very good. Which one is greater out of 2 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 2? Which one is greater? Ridhima. Yes, Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is greater? What is the value of 2 raised to power 3? What is 2 cube, beta?
Ma'am, can you repeat again? Ma'am, your voice is not audible clearly.
Will you be able to see the screen that I am sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Then see the question number 18.
18.
Anji, which one is greater? On which the cursor is moving. Can you see this question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 2?
Ma'am, option B, 3, 2.
3 square. 3 square you will pronounce it. That will be 9. And 2 cube is 8. So this one B is greater. Okay, good beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Hardik. Hardik. Hardik Uppal. Nandani. Rihanika. Arush. Hardik Bhutani. They all are sleeping. I'm going to remove you from the class. Yes, Jasleen.
C
Yes,
option
ma'am.
0.
Answer
0.
0. Next, Akshita, answer me. Arshia,
Ma'am.
Nihal, answer the next question. Question number 20. Arshia, am I audible? Arshia.